the idea. The jungle is bright and cheerful. Birds chirp, and the sun shines through the tall trees. Ellie the elephant walks happily along a dirt path, humming a tune. Ellie, excitedly, today feels like a special day. I want to do something nice for my friends. But what should I do? Ellie stops and thinks. She taps her trunk against her head. Ellie, gasping, oh, I know. I'll throw a surprise party for all my friends. It will be the best party ever. Ellie hurries off to start planning. The planning. Ellie gathers her friends Benny the bunny, Timmy the tortoise, and Zoe the zebra near a big tree. Ellie, excitedly, I have a big idea. I want to throw a surprise party for everyone in the jungle. Benny, jumping up and down, that sounds amazing. I love parties. Zoe, smiling, a party would be so much fun. How can we help? Ellie, we need decorations, food, and games. I'll take care of the decorations. Benny, can you help with the games? Benny, saluting, you got it. Ellie, Timmy, can you gather some delicious food for the party? Timmy, slowly nodding, I'll do my best. Ellie and Zoe, can you invite everyone without telling them it's a surprise? Zoe, of course. This will be the best surprise ever. Everyone cheers and hurries off to get started. The preparations. Ellie decorates a big clearing with colorful flowers, vines, and shiny leaves. Benny sets up fun games like coconut bowling and a jungle obstacle course. Timmy slowly carries a basket full of fruits and nuts, while Zoe runs around inviting all the jungle animals. Zoe, to a parrot, there's a fun gathering later. Come join us. Parrot, squawking, a surprise? A surprise? I love surprises. Zoe giggles and moves on to invite more friends. A little problem. Ellie checks on the decorations but notices the wind is blowing away some of the flowers. Benny trips over a log while setting up the games, and Timmy struggles to carry all the food. Ellie, worried, oh no. Things aren't going as planned. Ellie helps Benny up and fixes the decorations while Zoe rushes to help Timmy with the food. Benny, grinning, good thing we're a team. Ellie, smiling, yes. Together, we can do anything. The big surprise. Everything is finally ready. The jungle animals start arriving, curious about the gathering. Ellie, Benny, Timmy, and Zoe hide behind some bushes. Ellie, whispering, wait for it. As soon as everyone is there, Ellie jumps out. Ellie, surprise. The animals cheer and clap. They see the beautiful decorations, yummy food, and fun games. Lion, roaring happily, wow, Ellie. This is amazing. Monkey, swinging from a tree, let's play some games. The party begins, and everyone dances, plays, and enjoys delicious treats. Ellie smiles as she watches her friends have fun. The best moment. As the sun sets, the party winds down. The animals gather around Ellie. Zoe, this was the best party ever. Timmy, nodding slowly, and the best surprise. Benny, you did a great job, Ellie. Ellie, blushing, I couldn't have done it without all of you. The best part was making everyone happy. Lion, smiling, and that's why you are such a great friend. The animals give Ellie a big group hug. Fireflies start twinkling in the trees, and everyone enjoys the beautiful evening together. Ellie, happily, this was the best day ever. The jungle echoes with laughter and joy as the animals celebrate their friendship. The end.